Hello viewers, how are you? I am fine. I hope you are also fine. May Allah Almighty showers His countless blessings on you and your dear ones. So let's start our today video. Our today video topic is bathroom storage solution. When it comes to bathroom storage solutions, there are several options you can consider to maximize space and keep your bathroom organized. Here are some ideas. Over the toilet storage. Utilize the space above your toilet by installing an over-the-toilet storage unit or shelving. These units typically have shelves or cabinets that provide extra storage for towels, toiletries, and other bathroom essentials. Wall-mounted shelves. Install wall-mounted shelves to take advantage of vertical space. You can use them to store towels, decorative items, or frequently used toiletries. Floating shelves are a popular choice as they create a sleek and modern look. Medicine cabinet. If you don't already have a medicine cabinet in your bathroom, consider installing one. These cabinets are perfect for storing medications, first aid supplies, and smaller toiletries, keeping them easily accessible while also saving space. Drawer organizers. Use drawer organizers to keep your bathroom drawers neat and tidy. They are great for separating and organizing small items like makeup, hair accessories, and grooming tools. Hanging organizers. Hang organizers on the back of your bathroom door or inside cabinets to store items like hair dryers, curling irons, and other styling tools. This helps to keep them off the counter and out of sight while still being easily accessible. Under sink storage. Make the most of the space under your sink by installing storage bins or drawers. These can help you store cleaning supplies, extra toiletries, or even towels, maximizing the use of that often underutilized area. Shower caddies and organizers. Keep your shower essentials organized with the help of shower caddies or organizers. These can be hung over the shower head or attached to the wall, providing convenient storage of shampoo, conditioner, soap, and other bathroom products. Ladder shelves or towel racks. Consider using a ladder shelf or a towel rack with multiple bars to hang and display towels. This not only adds storage space but also creates a decorative element in your bathroom. Baskets and bins. Use baskets or bins on open shelves or under the sink to corral items and keep them organized. They are perfect for storing towels, toilet paper, extra toiletries, and other bathroom necessities. Vertical storage solutions. Install hooks or racks on the walls or behind the door to hang towels, robes, and other items. This frees up space on towel bars and adds additional storage options. Remember, the best storage solutions for your bathroom will depend on the available space, your specific needs, and your personal style preferences. Choose options that fit well with your bathroom's designs and make it easier for you to maintain an organized and clutter-free space. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest video. Allah Hafiz.